So what you can also do is start up with simple prompts inside of Kimi to get started. For example, here you can see that I got different things, like let's say, for example, birds are living dinosaurs. Simply click and then it'll simply go ahead and then give you details on it. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and simply ask it a question. Let's say, for example, you can say something like, what is the latest tech news right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and say latest right here, just like this, then it'll go ahead and search for technology news right there, and then will give me some answers. So a prompt can be just a question, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go ahead right here and let's say, for example, ask something like, what is the most powerful computer type? And if I were to go ahead and ask it out right there, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then answer out questions based on the contents that it gets. So it says the most powerful computer type is a supercomputer, and here's why, and then it gives the reasons as well. And that is how you can get started with simple prompts in Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe